Josh here. Today we're going to teach you how to put your steering release clamp together. Today I'm going to show you how to install or reassemble the steering clamp. These are the parts you're going to need: the clamp, the washer, the cylinder, the larger spring, and the smaller spring. First step, you're going to take this smaller spring and you're going to insert it into the place where it's held. Then slide the cylinder in, making sure to expose the threaded area. Next, you're going to take the washer and put it onto the clamp, and take the larger spring and place it onto the threaded part. Then you will thread the clamp inside the cylinder, then pull it to the side and release, and then clamp.